Did you know that 70% of marketers say understanding their audience is the key to their success? Crazy, right? That means if you're not connecting with your audience, you might be missing out on some serious engagement. But many of businesses are struggling to find the right audience for your business. What if I told you that finding your target audience can be as simple as answering 6 simple questions? In this video, we're diving into a super important topic, finding your target audience in 6 simple questions. Stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Now let's dive into the 6 crucial questions that will help you discover your target audience. First up, ask yourself, what age group do they belong to? Age plays a huge role in shaping what your audience wants and how they make purchasing decisions. It helps tailor your messaging and tone. For example, younger audiences might love short videos on social media, while older audiences might prefer detailed content like blog posts or emails. So knowing their age range allows you to create content that resonates with them. Next, consider, what is their geographic location? Are they in a bustling city or a quiet rural area? Understanding their environment can help you create marketing that speaks to their lifestyle. For instance, a city-based audience might be drawn to convenience, while a rural audience could value quality over speed. Localizing your approach can make a significant impact on how you reach and engage them. Now, think about, what's the gender makeup of your audience? This can affect everything from the tone of your message to the types of products you offer. Understanding the gender dynamics can help you tailor your messaging and visuals to resonate more deeply with your core audience. And ensuring inclusivity while focusing on the majority. Question 4. What's their preferred promotion style? Do they respond better to discounts and exclusive offers, or are they drawn to high-quality promotions with long-term benefits? Knowing their preferred promotional style can help you craft campaigns that drive engagement and conversions. Next up, where do your audience spend their time online? Are they scrolling through Instagram, watching YouTube tutorials, or engaging in discussions on LinkedIn? Identifying where your audience spends their time online allows you to focus your efforts on the right channels for maximum impact. Finally, ask, what type of content do they enjoy? Do they prefer quick videos or longer, in-depth blogs and podcasts? Tailoring your content format to their preferences can significantly enhance engagement and retention. So there you have it. By answering these 6 questions about age, location, gender, promotional preferences, online habits, and content types, you'll gain invaluable insights into who your target audience really is. This understanding is crucial for developing a digital strategy that truly connects and achieving your business growth. So, what do you think? Have you struggled to find your target audience, or do you have tips of your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.